Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today now the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. Alright, so PSG, they're very willing to pay 140 million euros, which is about 120 million pounds, for Arsenal's Bukayo Saka. So now monitoring spirit, they call the sports mode, and then they let us know this new updates. And the reason we make PSG they find Bukayo Saka now because Mbapp is Real Madrid bound. Mbapp is going to be leaving them, and the worst part is they're not going to even collect any money from the Mbapp move to whichever club he's moving to. Is going to be living as a free agent. And you say PSG own all those their president Al-Khalifi then get money. So they really say which other star name they go use replace this Mbappe where they go. So they don't look at several big names. So remember that Dembele is still there, but they are still looking at getting another super striker or winger. They look at Bukayo Saka. Now the question now becomes, will Arsenal be collecting 140 million euros for this Bukayo Saka, or will they be saying this is our star boy, we are not selling him? Because personally, for my own opinion, I don't think Arsenal will be selling Bukayo Saka for any fee at this point in our lives, because Arsenal they in a very fine place financially. We don't get any reason to actually sell. Nobody like during that when at times they build stadium, they try to pay off the mortgage of the stadium, so they had to sell to balance their books. But now we don't get anything they spend money on. So personally, I don't think Arsenal will be selling Bukayo Saka. Instead, we will buy more players to come add to him to make his life easier. Alright, away from that, so Bukayo Saka don't win the Arsenal Player of the Month of February. Remember, I say people like Kai Havertz, Odegaard, and the players like Declan Rice follow and compete for this award, and obviously because of the records we Saka sets for this February, we say the guy is scoring plenty goals consistently in different games in goal contribution. So at the end of the day, Arsenal fans can't dim and fit say, okay, Starboy, you've won the award. So I did happy with him, Sha. Now, for those who know they are aware, Ben White's goal when he scored for Sheffield United, named the Arsenal's 10,000th goal if they count down. So Arsenal don't post on the official platforms, they're going to celebrate with Ben White, say his name don't enter the historical books for scoring Arsenal's 10,000th, like number 10,000, and be that goal. So now waiting Ben White score. So Mr. Bade happy with him. But I don't forget say the one with Kai Havertz score himself, now be 150,000 for the EPL. That one said don't enter the EPL record book. So our players are just setting records here and there. Alright, so Football London called they do a report on Arsenal players who they injured, called they talk about their likeliest return dates. So look at just for Bukayo Saka, even though nobody saying get injury. So Saka owner say in the sick. You get, so Saka is expected to come back when we play against Brentford. You get, so anytime soon for the weekend we will play Brentford. So for that match you're expecting me to play. As in they sick, he trusts Arsenal and they will get some kind of sophisticated antibiotics. So we say if they knock on like this, you know, that's a big association, a big company now. So they will get better medical department. So we say they knock you that injection. 2 days, IS 1 day, if not for 5 hours, concept. Everything will run fly out from your body. So I just wish him quick recovery because it's very important for this title run in this race. What they do now, Saka is very important. Now at the same time, I talk about Zinchenko. Because Zinchenko own is expected to come back against Brentford. Tomiyasu is expected to come back against Brentford, but Martinelli they put unknown because that cut when he gets the cut needs to heal. So that the guy go fit come play, because if he come play for us, I'm gonna play through pain and it no go make any sense. So we'll just the watcher. Maybe by from now till then the cuts fit on. But let's say we don't get a picture of the cut, so we don't really know how big it is or how deep it goes. So, but not just the hopeful, shall I say. By the time we go play against Brentford, we will see Martinelli on the field of play. Alright, so Thomas Partey has the right to earn the minutes he plays. He needs to build on the few minutes he has played after being 4 months out. Now, who is saying this? Now, Mikel Arteta. So when you talk about Thomas Partey, remember say Thomas Partey na 4 months injury go out. That is why when he come back, really that cohesiveness, no even did there you get, because now gradually he will come back to inform. So I think that call say the guy need time, he gets to earn all those minutes. Say because he Thomas Partey no mean so we just throw him into the first 11 like that. Say because we want to enjoy the partnership of Partey and Rice. No, he still got build in form. He gets come up to the level where the players don't day now. They're going to compare declaration on the play since the beginning. They don't day for high level. You get you can't carry person know the high level can't join now. Everything will spoil now. So that's why they will integrate and small. Just like those if they call for the Jesus to be thrown into the first 11, that would be a wrong move. You get, because the level we did now, there is no room for error. You get the level we did now. Those shitty, you get. So we get what they pursue. So maybe just they integrate them gradually. Cameo appearances, 10-15 minutes. Maybe they enter 20 minutes at most. Maybe they enter small. Then who knows? Before the season go end, if they fall into the first 11. Alright, so when the year said Tomiyasu new deal don't day out, get so from the new deal then double Tomiyasu wages. So I did very very happy when I hear the news, because it don't deal all over social media. So many media houses broke it. So the contest in Ben White's own 9 remain, making join Tomiyasu because that one they don't work on and since, but like say they never announced it yet, they never reached that final stage. Well, just to watch, but Tomiyasu own well deserved. This is not a player I say once upon a time they didn't say maybe they won't sell them more. All of a sudden now this is just better. So that's what it be. When it's your time, it's your time. And one thing about footballers, we say footballers they improve, then they grow because they train every day. And one thing about training every day is that you go they learn, you must improve. You know if they train every day, may you know improve now. You know if they the same way, we can't be stagnant. You must improve. That's just the way it is. Alright, so when they ask Arteta, say what will be one of the improvements will happen to Arsenal this season. So Arteta when they talk say the summer arrivals really improved the team because they helped us to fix our weaknesses. So when you talk about people like Kai Havertz, Raya, Declan Rice, they brought something we didn't have in the squad. That is why we are where we are today, and we are not likely to make the same mistakes we made last season. And it is just the truth because the people where Arteta bring into the club, obviously it is something that is visible to the blind. You can't say you are not seeing it. They have improved the team. That is why we are still title contenders. It is easy to compete against the likes of Man City and Liverpool. Check out their squad now. You know easy. You get the difference between we and them is say we collectively now when they perform, then they get individualistic players where they carry them from the scruff of the neck, lead them to the finish line. But we collectively, everybody they score. We don't get one senior man will say, okay, at least I will give us 20-30 goals per season. No, we will share the responsibilities among ourselves, which is called division of labor. Unlike the way others Man City, if Salah no score 20 goals, who will score 20 goals or 15 goals for that Liverpool? If Eliana no score 30 goals, who will score them? That's just the way it is. Alright, so Phil Foden, come as I call it, they would like to beat Liverpool for this match. They won't play because if they beat Liverpool, then they can become the favourites to win the league. And say that Liverpool ground, that Anfield, now a place where we say they never really win a lot for there. And why this news they concern us now? Because all of us they fight for the title race, and that brings the question of what is going to be your preferred thing to happen for that match. Would you want Man City to win or Liverpool to win? Like which one would be more beneficial to Arsenal? You get? Because me they feel say a draw should have been the best thing we would wish for. But think about it. Let's say somebody needed to win or somebody go win. If Man City win, is it going to be beneficial to Arsenal? If Liverpool win, is it going to be beneficial to Arsenal? So let me know on our thoughts, because for me personally, I feel say if Liverpool, let's say Liverpool beats Man City, Liverpool get easier games on paper at the end of the day to win the league. But if Man City beats Liverpool, then Man City will come go above of Liverpool, then Liverpool will come see the way they will come beat Brentford. So it will be Man City, Arsenal, Liverpool. Then if we come meet for the Etihad, we will come beat Man City. That's everyone still now, but it will easy to beat Man City for the Etihad. So that's the thing. So don't let me know on our thoughts. Which one I would prefer apart from a draw, because draw would have been the best results. But remember, say draw is not the only thing that can happen. Draw day, Liverpool winning day, Man City winning also day. Alright, so Rio Ferdinand, for Common Saka, they talk about Bukayo Saka. So you got just a star boy doing star boy things. Now Bukayo Saka has gotten 54 goals and 50 assists in 214 games. That's about 104 goal contributions in 214 games, which is a very, very remarkable achievement. They say don't join the likes of Kevin De Bruyne, Salah, you get Bruno Fernandes, and so many great players. So don't cross that 50 goals or 50 assist threshold for the EPL, because no be something where they easy to achieve. So since November 2018 till now. So I just be very, very happy with Saka's achievements, and I seen they go. May God just keep out for us. So all those people they say they want to pay 140 million, may they carry their money, go another place. Other players they may they go find Pedro Neto, may they free. Even Takafusa Kubo for Ori Sociedad still there, may they go buy all those, may they leave our star boy for us. Alright, so O'Leary will be one of the senior man. David O'Leary will be one of the senior man for Arsenal. Say William Saliba is just like Virgil van Dijk. Say the guy now Rolls Royce gets. Say the guy now zero joy. Now, when you look at this type of comparison, it is very, very good, because Saliba is like 22-23. Virgil van Dijk should be like 32-33. So imagine the years gap in experience. Yet they compare the two of them. In the next maybe 5-6 years now, this Virgil van Dijk will Shalaski. So we will remain Saliba time to rule the world. How many top defenders in the world be like Saliba, like at in age, because he never reaching peak. Van Dijk didn't peak already, if not the reaching past his peak set. So that's this the way it be. But we just watch us since go. Me, I don't say Saliba future, they too bright. Now, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, one of the former coaches of Manchester United and one of the former players of Manchester United, talk say if to say Manchester United listen to him, that time when they did there, Declan Rice would have been a Manchester United player, because he wanted to sign Declan Rice. Instead of Rice going to Arsenal and doing so well, the guy for Manchester United, they command the midfield for them, because the way he covers the midfield, protects the back four, jumping forward, coming back, like this guy has so much energy to burn. He know they ever get tired. And once they say he can play the entire game of the season, he has a clean bill of health. You know they sick. You know they hardly get injury. Even though they lunge, they slide, they give so much tackles. Like the man said, so many glowing attributes to our own player. But in regret, and I say when they say they sign him, the Manchester United hierarchy as of that time, they no really listen to them. But look at now from the power of hindsight. So you can see that Declan Rice is doing so much well for Arsenal. And if he's doing well for Arsenal, he could have done well for Manchester United. Well, now your opinion be that. So my dear Arsenal, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And game out.